Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 7, which has 6 members, which is Adib Ansar, Siki, Rona Carolina Dutin, Sandra Romi, Shapina binti Shahin, and Emilia Natasha to present each SODO from SODO 1 to 6. So to introduce this SODO, the project management of the Soda Oil Terminal project, including its design and execution, is critically reviewed in this report. So a few engineering disciplines, including civil, structural, mechanical, electrical, firefighting, and jetty building, are covered by the multidisciplinary Soda project in this project. So to continue, I will pass to the next presenter, which is to present the Soda one. Thank you.
Okay, for Sodo 1, which is a Microsoft project, uh, the Microsoft project that have been calculated for the duration of time of our works is 111 weeks. Okay, so the first of all that we calculate the duration is first the board approval and the head office work, which is included in the start of project. All right, and then the calculation of the materials, the cost of the materials, which is like pipe, valve, flanges, and fitting, and other than that, which is instrumentation, mechanical equipment, steel works, and firefighting equipment, safety equipment, which is the total up is 1,968 ringgit and 600 ringgit. All right. And then for the tank, which is the designs, and also before that, in the materials, the calculation for the duration is 56 weeks, which is pipe, valve, flanges, and fitting is 19 weeks. Instrumentation, instrument cable, electric switchgear, and computer equipment is 40 weeks. Mechanical equipment is 32 weeks. Steelworks is 4 weeks, and lastly is firefighting equipment and safety equipment is 20 weeks. Okay, and then the tank, which is include a design, supply, and erect and fabrication. Okay, the total duration that has been calculated is 45 weeks, which is from Thursday 18 9th 2025 to Monday, which is 10 uh, August 2026. So the calculation for the tank is 243,000 ringgit. And then the design, and then the jetty part is 72 weeks, which is the design is 22 weeks, and also the supply and erect is 50 weeks. And also for the civil works, which is here is 45 weeks, which is first is tank foundation, which is the tank foundation for 10 weeks, road and building 29 weeks, and also steelwork erection for 8 weeks. All right, so the total for civil work is 45 weeks, and then the installation, which include mechanical, electrical, piping, and firefighting, 99 weeks, which is with calculation for the cost is 794,000. And then for the mechanical instrumentation is 7 weeks, electrical for 17 weeks, piping equipment installation is 21 weeks, firefighting 12 weeks. And then for the testing, painting is 12 weeks, which include 102,000 ringgit pound. Right, that's all for me. Thank you.
Good evening, Doctor. Now I will present about the vendor material and contractor selection. So in the two table is the material and the contractor. So in the material analysis, we have Mitsui offers the lowest price and fastest delivery time, but has a vendor rating of 2 only. Meanwhile, the stockist A and the stockist C both have to provide the fastest delivery time with a strong vendor rating of 4. So the third is the pension ensures the effective delivery time with a vendor rating of 4, similar to the Windows, which also balances timely delivery and reliability with a rating of 4. So the next one is the contractor. The analysis is the CM12 ensures the fastest delivery time with a vendor rating of 4. CCC company offers both the lowest cost and fastest delivery time. NEC specializes in the fastest tank farm foundation and civil wall with a vendor rating of 4. So and the Panther and Core and Pico excel in the fastest duration, with Pico also holding a vendor rating of 4. IFFIP provides the second lowest cost but has a vendor rating of 3, while the Electron ensures the reliability with a vendor rating of 4. So next. So that is the part of the Microsoft project. So based on the SODO 1 and the adjustment about the information about the SODO 2 with the vendor material and contractor selection, we can find out that the total duration work time of the SODO 2 is the 91.71 weeks. That will not exceed to the information given, which is not exceed than 98 weeks. So the start of the project is the same with the story one, which is head office work, then until the end. So the site is the Gantt chart of part of the Gantt chart of the for the whole project work. So this is the end of the project. The project estimated end in the 4th March of the 2027. So that's all of my part. Thank you.
For soda 3, for the materials, complex valves manufacturing, 34 weeks, and for the material, mechanical, 20 weeks, electrical, 19 weeks, piping, 55 weeks, and with overtime work, 750 hours. For the painting is 8 weeks with the overtime works 110 hours.
Hi, my name is Sandra, so I will present the SODO 4 season. So I will discuss the impact of the supplier and contractors rate as rating 1 on our project timeline and the possible actions to mitigate delays. So for the first is for the material deliveries. Suppliers with a rating 1 cause a delay of 2.5 weeks for every 10 weeks of the delivery time. To address this, we have 3 options to choose, which is pay a 5% premium to reduce delays by 0.5 weeks per 10 weeks, or use a freight with a 25% premium saving 3 weeks for every 4 weeks of slippage, or for the last option is take no action and accept the full delay. And the next is for the contractor schedules rating 1. Contractors cause a 4-week delays on tasks already started. This doesn't affect unstarted tasks. So to minimize this slippage, we can pay a 5% premium, improving timelines by 1 week for every 10 weeks remaining, or pay a 10% premium to reducing delays by 1.5 weeks per 10 weeks remaining. So, in summary, addressing these delays requires balancing costs and the project timeline. I recommend to prioritizing air freight for critical material deliveries and optioning for the 10% premium for essential contracted tasks to minimize slippage and stay closer to our 98-week target. So thank you. That's all from Sodo Position.
I will provide later at the Spotify project. So for the Spotify project has a total durations of 100 weeks, which is specifically it is 100 weeks. It's beginning on February 6, 2025 and finish on May 5, 2017. The key components of the project are hand office work, material procurement, execution, installations, civil works, installation, mobilization, listing everything. So for this first one is the upfront project, which include a people is work that takes about 16 weeks. But for the material, we have about 6 elements, which is part first is the 5 layers purchase and fitting, which takes from 19 weeks. The next one is complex bulk manufacturing, take about 24 weeks. Installations, instrument cable, electric switchgear, and computer equipment take about 40 weeks, and mechanical components take almost 32 weeks, and steamboats take a couple of weeks, and lastly is firefighting equipment or safety equipment about 20 weeks. And the last one, and the next one is tanks, which the element involved is design, supply engineering, and fabrications. All it takes about 24 weeks. And for the jetty, it takes about 30 weeks for design and supply engineering. Next one is civil works, which takes about 26 weeks for team foundations, stone and building, and steelwork operations. And the next one, we have installation, mobilization, testing, painting. In the present project, for installation, it takes about 177 weeks, which includes analysis, mechanical instrumentation and installation, electrical instruction installations, piping, equipment installations, and pipe bending safety installations. And for the mobilization, it takes about 46.7 weeks for pipe more activities which includes electric mobilizations, basic mobilizations, public purpose mobilization, and general purpose mobilizations. So for the testing, it takes 0 weeks, and for the printing, it takes about 10 weeks. That's all.
Hi, my name is Nur Emilia Natasha. I will be presenting a SODO 6, which is a detailed plan for constructing tank, jetties, and related installation with precious scheduling and budget management. For the first point is, this project spans 98.35 weeks, which is starting from June to 2025 and ending on April 27, 2027. The total budget is approximately 12.45 million. The key stages include material procurement, tank and jetty construction, civil work, and installation. Refer the using Microsoft projects. Material procurement takes 62 weeks to ensuring early deliveries for critical components. Then, tanks construction is 28 weeks, which is focused on design, supplies, and fabrication. Jetty construction take 15 weeks with it a significant budget of 3.79 million. Then, civil works and installation are aligning tasks to minimize delay. The key challenge that we anticipated risks like suppliers delays or task dependencies impacting the timeline. Adjustment we made in the schedule to accommodate early or late deliveries from suppliers. The final outcome that we create this jetty design which is set to deliver on time and within budget, showcasing the importance of careful planning, regular evaluation, and proactive adjustment to ensure success. Thank you, and I'm happy to answer any question.